Yeah, that job was, there's a lot of work went into it, a lot of planning, a lot of forethought in terms of how that system is performing for the business there now. You know, it's definitely something that he's very, very happy with the performance-wise. We did a 50-50 split with that system. We started off looking at one roof area and decided that the best format for that area was to position the panels facing north, and another roof area had a little bit of shading at the back, so we positioned them east. Because the business basically works, well, it operates 24/7, it was more important for us to get up to get the power operating earlier in the morning, so we put half of the system facing east, knowing full well we were going to pick up, you know, that early start. Their power consumption dropped off a little bit after lunchtime, so it wasn't critical for us to be generating a lot of power after that sort of 2 o'clock time frame. So we then opted to put the rest facing north, and that was just going to pull a heap of power during the middle of the day, which was sort of where they were starting to wind up. Yeah, the commercial side of power, he was using one of the energy providers that uses a sliding scale, and obviously the more power he uses, the higher the cost. So solar, while it's generating power and it's lowering his consumption, it's also lowering his tariffs. So it's benefiting him from basically a twofold effect.